You are invited. My name is Beata Chalet. I am the growth architect, and I'm inviting you to join me for one or many of my monthly master classes. Why am I doing this? Well, I'm a business strategist. I help experts, visionaries, leaders to scale their impact and grow their authority. But what I'm seeing right now, because of this like crazy fear riddled environment, a lot of people and business owners, coaches and consultants are fearful and they stop doing stuff. And that is the opposite of what you need to be doing right at this very moment. Because what you need to do right now is be very strategic, how to maximize what you have so that you can get a strategy in place that will help you to solve problems like what products and services are selling, how do you set goals and keep them, how do you find a good team assistance, how do you build a website that converts, how do you get in front of the right people, how do you build a client attraction system. Now, while we are on that, may I just mention client attraction systems are the number one thing I want you to focus on. So my team and I, we put our heads together. I brought some of my colleagues in for some of these master classes, and we are here to help you to make it through this recession, this, crazy inflation, this scary environment by doing the one thing that we can help you to do really well, and that is to find the right strategy for you and implement it. So please go ahead and sign up right now, and we can't wait to see you live in one of our master classes. And goodbye.